What's up, everyone? My name is Dora. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm showing you how to make mermaid bubble bath truffles. This is a very easy project with a very simple recipe. Make them any theme that inspires you. You can make them unicorn and paint the black eyelashes on, or simple colorful squares. Aside from looking so adorable, the truffles can be used to make a moisturizing milk bubble bath, or simply let them slowly dissolve for a moisturizing and very relaxing milk bath soak. Check out the description for the recipe, substitutions, important information, and the supply list. This is a very loose recipe. You don't have to follow it exactly or even close to get great results. The SLSA is a foam booster bubble bath maker and creates thick lather. I divided the batch into 5, then added color powder to each. For that tutorial, click the information icon. Melt the butter, then add the other wet ingredients. Add wet to dry and mix until ingredients are thoroughly incorporated and the dough pulls together. The dough will be slightly damp and easy to work with. Lay the parchment paper down, then start adding different colors of dough. Flatten it down into a loose rectangle shape. Use the paper to roll the dough in on itself. Keep the ends neat too. Once you have a very compact brick shape, use the paper to elongate the dough, tighten the shape, and to smooth the surface. Use a spatula to elongate it and make the sides flat like a box. Now coat the log with mica. Cut slices right away. Use a ruler to score lines. Don't push the knife straight down. Instead, move the knife back and forth. or score fish scales first. The pattern will be linked in the description. Make sure the dough retains the rectangle shape. Lay the slices flat, then reshape them a final time. Dry them 24 hours. Use clear melt and pour soap so the sparkling mica is visible. I cut different angles so the tails would lean outwards. Use melted butter to act as glue. The butter works really well as glue. The scale pattern is cute, but the fishtails look better, lay flatter, and are more secure on the flat truffles. The truffles are really hard after. For packaging, I think shrink wrap or clear plastic like cellophane would be fine. I think they came out adorable, and they definitely make great gifts. I didn't formulate this recipe with bubble bath in mind, but it does create a light bubble bath. If you want a real kick-ass bubble bath with gigantic bubble mountains, simply add more SLSA. I formulated this recipe with a relaxing milk bath soak in mind. I wanted a slow dissolving truffle with thick and luxurious foam and lather. The truffles take about 15 to 20 minutes to fully dissolve. After, you're left with a relaxing and moisturizing milk bath soak. Okay guys, that's it. Subscribe now for more awesome tutorials just like this.